Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox clients not responding easy and quick. First, click here and then type task manager, and now make sure to close all the applications that you don't need here. Just click on memory to see application that is using your memory, and that's it. Now all you have to do, just free up some memory to make sure that this isn't the problem why Roblox isn't launching. And after that, just go back and click here, right click on Roblox and run as administrator, and if it doesn't fix it, try something like restart your computer. And after trying all the easy solution, then the only solution that you have to try is to go here and to type Roblox, click on it and uninstall it. After that, go to run and then type app data, click OK, then go to local, scroll down until you find Roblox, right click on it and delete it. After that, go back, go to local low, delete this folder here, and that's it, this one. And then just go to Google Chrome or any browser and reinstall it again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.